Hello folks, today we will see how to install Eclipse on Ubuntu Linux. Eclipse IDE is popular amongst Java developers. Let's see how to install and set it up. Open Google Chrome or any browser you use. Search for Eclipse download. We will choose to download the Eclipse installer. Select 64-bit installer link for Linux. Click on download and Eclipse installer will start downloading. Eclipse download is now finished. Let's open it in the downloads folder. Let's copy it over to the home folder. You can see the Eclipse installer zip file here. Let's extract it. Let's go inside our extracted Eclipse installer folder. Let's run the installer file. I'll choose to install Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. Here I will customize the installation path. And click on install. Installation is complete. So let's launch Eclipse IDE. Let's cancel it for now. Let's go to the folder where Eclipse has been installed and launch Eclipse IDE from there. In order for Eclipse icon to appear in the Show Applications menu and also to create Eclipse IDE shortcut, we need to create a file called eclipse.desktop and copy it over in couple of locations. Let's open this file and see its contents. I'll be providing the contents of this file in description section, so it will be easy for you to just copy and paste it. The two lines which are most important in this are the line number 7 for the executable and line number 10 for icon. Let's change them one by one to match our Eclipse installation path. You can see that exec and icon lines are matching the installation path. Let's launch a terminal now. And now let's copy our eclipse.desktop file to a couple of locations. First to the usr/share/applications. This will create shortcut for your Eclipse IDE. Just enter your system user operating system password here. Another one is your home folder /local/share/applications. .local folder is a hidden folder inside your home folder. Now let's go to the Show Applications menu and search for Eclipse. You can see the Eclipse icon and you can launch Eclipse IDE from here as well. I'll now just add it to the taskbar, so you will be able to launch from taskbar as well. That's all for today guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for my upcoming videos.